Sadyang nababagabag sa'yo ako'y panatag at walang pangamba. Sa oras na ako'y lubog agad dumarating ka. Kaya habang tumatagal lalo kitang minahal. Asahan mo para sa'yo handa akong sumugal. Palagi mong isipin na laging naandyan ako. Maging tama o mali, ikaw ang papanigan ko. Sa'yo aking tiwala, hindi ako magsasawa. Bukas ang aking palad, handa sa'yong umunawa. Mahal kasi kita kaya wala akong magawa. Pati ang pride ko sa'yo aking binababa. Huwag ka lang mawawala, handa ako na magtiyaga. Maghihintay ako kahit wala pang mapala. Ito ang aking tula para sa'yo ko nilikha. Ang mapaibig sa iyo, di ko yung sinadya.
You know, sometimes it's hard. You don't even know what's gonna happen next. Pero ganun talaga. Minsan di mo mapapaliwanag pag umiibig ka. But it happens though, you know. It happens to you too, I know. But I wanna tell you this, girl. Just keep on smiling and keep your head up. Just keep on smiling, girl. You know what I'm saying?
You know, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyong nagawa. Every problems that I had, ikaw ang nagpawala. Yo, para kang himala, kasi you make them disappear. Pagkasama na kita, you make my mind so clear. I wanna thank you for the love, thank you for the hug, thank you for the cares and all the memories we had. All the good times and bad times, rainy days and sunshine, it doesn't really matter, I'm just glad that you're mine. Kumupas man ang panahon, lumipas man ilang taon, I always got your back, alam yun ang Panginoon. Walang babae na katulad mo ang pwedeng mahambing. Kasi hindi ka baling-beng, bagkus ika'y malambing. Laking pasasalamat ko nung ikaw ay dumating. At ang pasayahin ako, di ba diyan ka magaling. I just wanna tell you kung gaano ka ka-espesyal. Lagi kang kasama sa aking bawat dasal.
A lot of people say that being in love is stupid or crazy. But it can happen to you, it can happen to anyone. Cause that's love, you know. At pag na-love ka na, all you can do is